set to like this. Another thing you can do is, even if you do put it on original and like this, if you go over Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change the aspect ratio on CapCut. I have here this photo, and did you know that the CapCut aspect ratio is customized to whatever photo or clip that you have put in your project? For instance, you add this photo here to here, and as you can see, it does not really fit in the entire screen, right? So what you need to do, if you want this to be the entire page, it is already default that it is set to 1920 to 1080. For instance, if you add a text and put it here, it will be 1920 to 1080. But let's say we just use the photo that we have here, and we want to change this aspect ratio to fit that of an Android phone. Well, you can always customize that. Let's say you add this picture even, and now this looks like something that is only for phones, right? Even the size or the aspect ratio, there will be black surrounding behind it. So what do? We just need to head over here to ratio, and then we set this to whatever resolution this photo has, or what resolution your phone has. For instance, this is a 1916, which is the typical resolution for every other phone. And as you can see, this video is now set to like this. Another thing you can do is, even if you do put it on original and like this, if you go over it and export your video, and yeah, let's try and export this video, you can see that there is an automatic TikTok video size that will be created for every video that you export. But this is only available per Pro. So that's one of the things that you can do if you do have Pro. So that's it. That is how you can change the aspect ratio of your video on CapCut. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.